Hi, today I am going to show Christmas special occasion interior and exterior decoration because everyone want to decorate own home and office for Christmas. But many people also forget to decorate the exterior. Creating a magical atmosphere is the important to get you and your family in the mood. Anyone who walks by will also able to admire and your decoration. Christmas is a special time of year. Everybody decor the interior. Christmas tree are the must and we also include various light and other decoration to put us the holiday. Because using a light is crucial for exterior decoration and you might even have to purchase more lights if you don't have enough of them already.